बल्दिया की जानिब से 5 रुपये में खाना खाने की स्कीम का इफ्तिताह अमल में आया। इफ्तिताह के मौके पर ग्रेटर हैदराबाद म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के कमिश्नर सोमेश कुमार, मेयर माजिद हुसैन, डिप्टी मेयर राजकुमार, बल्दी ओहदेदारों के अलावा दूसरे लोग मौजूद थे।
तमाम लोग, मेरे मीडिया के साथी और मेरे तमाम कॉर्पोरेटर्स, आज का दिन बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए और एक बहुत बड़ा मुक़द्दस दिन है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज टुडे इज 22nd of March and today is the 56th year of the formation of All India Majlis Ittehad al-Muslimin. So this is a great achievement for us, and on this particular day launching this tremendous scheme which will help all the poor across our great city will be a homage from my side to all my beloved leaders who have sacrificed their lives every moment for the upliftment of minority SC, ST and Dalits. So today on this particular occasion we are launching this particular food program. I thank all my council members of supporting this program, and on the first time when Commissioner Sahab came up with this particular scheme, we were excited and we thought of allocating funds. So whatever we have allocated 11 crore rupees of fund for this particular project. But this is what I will say is this is not the pilot project that we are starting today. The 50 centers that we will be starting will be the pilot project. So we have 50 crores allotted for innovative projects. If this scheme kickstarts, we'll allocate more and more funds. One particular center will be running 300 plates, but if we find it that we have to increase, we'll do that. And we'll make sure that every poor people in the city is fed up with this 5 rupee coin. It's so surprising to me, in this 5 rupee coins we hardly get a cup of tea, but GHMC has taken an initiative of sponsoring this midday meal program. I'll request all the citizens to motivate this particular thing, because what we find is all the below poverty line people will utilize it. Everyone will have their own food, will have their own delicacies with all the mutton, chicken and everything. But this particular section that we will be helping is the most needed in the city. And we are proud enough to stand as a team with them in making them, giving them this better hygienic food. I also thank Akshay Patra, also all the members of this particular association, because I have seen them working in most of the hospitals, the kind of hard work and the kind of hygienic food they provide. It is a privilege you are associated with us, sir, and it will be honor working with you, and will go much more further in this particular scheme. I thank all of us who are present over here for this wonderful inauguration of this particular one center. But I can assure you this 50 centers will be started very soon, and will increase this 50 center to 100, 150 based on the kind of response we will get, inshallah. Thank you so much again. Thank you.